In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a beautiful image gallery to your Shopify store. Let's dive right in and get started with this fun and rewarding process. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand side of your screen. You're going to see a menu there. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This is going to open up all sorts of customization options for your online store. Next, you'll notice a button in the middle of your screen that says Customize. Go ahead and click this button. It will lead you to a page where you can select which part of your store you'd like to personalize. Whether it's your home page, a product page, or any other custom page you've created. For our demonstration today, we'll be working on the home page. The home page is a fantastic place to start because it's often the first impression visitors will have of your site. Now, we are going to focus on adding a gallery, and we want to do it right in the middle of the page, catching visitors' eyes as soon as they scroll down. To begin, look for the option that allows you to add a new section. This is typically found right in the menu of tools available for your page. Click on Add Section, and a variety of options will present themselves. Here you can choose from several section types, such as Image Gallery, Image Banner, or Multi-Column Section, among others. For today's gallery, let's choose Multi-Column. Once you've selected this option, click on it, and you'll see it pop into place on your homepage. This section will serve perfectly as your gallery space. The multi-column layout is quite useful because it allows you not only to showcase pictures side by side, but also to accompany them with text if needed. It offers a clean and professional look that can be a real asset to your store. At this point, you can begin uploading images into your newly created gallery section. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Choose images that best represent your brand and products. High-quality, visually appealing pictures can significantly enhance your store's overall appearance and attract more visitors to explore what you have to offer. Remember, this initial impression encourages your visitors to dig deeper into your site and continue looking around. Once you've uploaded and arranged your chosen images, make sure to preview your page to see how it all looks. Fine-tuning the arrangement and ensuring everything looks perfect is an important final step before you hit that Publish button. That's it! You've added a stunning image gallery to your Shopify store, and I'm sure it looks fantastic. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!